お待たせしました。
We're looking for cake in a can. Cake in a can. Cake in a can. Okay, cake in a can. Calm down, Brad. Boom. Cake in a can. Cake in a can. Cake in a can, man. We got cake in a can. I can't believe we got cake in a can. We got cake in a can. Cake in a can. We're looking everywhere for it. Last day, cake in a can. Yelty. Yeah, so they got macaroons too, but I hate macaroons. And then they got nuts in them, so they'll make me very sick. So, you macaroons.
Good morning. It's our last day in Tokyo. 7 a.m. breakfast. I'm having my cake in a can. Okay. Little chocolate bear on the inside. Chocolate bear. It's supposed to be strawberry cheesecake. There's a chocolate bear. There's a strawberry on the bottom. Cake in a can. Yeah, I suppose it was more the novelty than anything else. That wasn't that great hot.